Some big changes at Cazeault Solar and Home, all positive, but big. When I started this company in 2013, I did it on several principles. One is to help clients with their energy needs and roofing needs. Number two, I sought out the best team members to join this organization. Number three, I wanted to make all experiences with the clients positive. And number four, I wanted to give back to the communities in which we serve. As Cazeault Solar and Home grew, and boy did we grow, I was faced with two ongoing challenges: time and resources. It's faced by every contractor. Time to keep pace with emerging technologies. Resources, the ability to take advantage of those emerging technologies. Along came Aurai. Ironically, Aurai was a client of ours that was introduced to us about a year ago. Their main focus is on decarbonization and electrification. This is a huge opportunity for homeowners and business owners as we move forward, because for the first time in the history of our country, all sources of fuel are at record high levels. Gas, propane, oil, electricity, all record high cost. And our goal is to decarbonize and electrify the homes. And we're able to do that by bringing our company and joining the Aurai group. Their business model is exactly what I wanted for Cazeault Solar and Home. Many contractors in the country are focused on segments of decarbonization and electrification. Aurai is focused on the entire opportunity for the business owner. So very shortly, you'll be able to call Cazeault Solar and Home and have us help you with all your energy needs. That includes heat pumps, ventilation for the homes, as well as the products we offer now, and that is battery storage, solar installation and service, and EV charging stations. Not to worry, Sam, Evan, Deborah, the entire team is still in place. In fact, they've been afforded new opportunities because as a small business owner, I kind of held them back. So you're still going to get the same excellent service, but with more opportunities for you as a homeowner and a business owner. So for further information, call the team, the local team, at 978-281-4625. Thank you and have a great solar day.